I'm Stan Antonov, project executive at TG Basile. We just wrapped up a full balcony replacement project here in Asbury Park, New Jersey. This building originally had dock plank balconies, an old system that was common back in the 60s and 70s. It worked fine on paper, but over time, especially in harsh coastal conditions like this, those balconies deteriorated. An engineer was brought in, FWH, to perform a structural assessment, and they determined that the best course of action would be to demolish the old concrete balconies and then to replace them with new modular metal balconies. After demolition, we got into the detailed restoration work. We cut into the existing wall, prepped the cavity, and poured new solid concrete beams to carry the new loads. That part of the job had to be clean, precise, and rock solid. It's the foundation for everything that follows. Another issue we had to tackle was a design change in the middle of the project where the engineer decided to add concrete beams on top of the roof itself with steel plates coming through the soffit of the roof and attaching to the new concrete beams. This was required because this is where the top balcony would attach to, and the entire stack would hang from that top balcony subsequently. From there, we installed brand new modular metal balconies. These are surface-mounted systems, and they're engineered for durability in the coastal environment. No more corrosion issues, no more structural headaches. These new units are built to last. And to bring it all together, we gave the building a full exterior repaint. The whole facade got a fresh coat, which not only protects the masonry, but ties the entire restoration together visually. The building's got a clean, sharp look now, functionally and aesthetically. At TG Basile, we bring the skills, the experience, and the commitment it takes to pull off projects like this safely, efficiently, and without cutting corners.